Hey guys, Mr. Browse. Welcome to another video. This one is on volume of a pyramid. Make sure you write the essential question objective down. I tried my best to draw a three-dimensional figure. I'm not great at drawing. So here it is. This would be a triangular pyramid. So draw that. And we're going to talk about how to find the volume of it. So we've talked about prisms, and we know that the formula for volume of a prism is volume equals capital B times height, and that capital B, remember, is the area of the base, okay? So for volume of a pyramid, the volume is capital B times H divided by 3. So that's area of the base times the height divided by 3. And when it gets the most tricky, guys, is when you have a triangular pyramid, because there's 2 times you're having to divide. There's just a lot of steps, and that's why we have to make sure that we're making it nice and clean while we're doing the work. So we're only going to do this in one example, and then that's it. So we'll try and make it short and sweet for you. So first I need to figure out what my base is. So my base will be this triangle down at the bottom here, okay? So the 6 goes right here with this line, the 7 with that line, and the 5 with this line. So I don't need all 3 of those numbers. I don't need all 3 of them, so let's figure out which one I do need. So let's go through and talk about the formula here. So we got volume equals capital B, which is area of the base, times the height of the entire three-dimensional shape, divided by 3. So if we have the capital B's, let's work with that first. So it's a triangle, right? So formula for a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So then now let's plug the formula in, plug numbers into the formula rather. So the base and the height have to make a right angle. And if you see here, this is a right angle. So we can only use the 5 and 6. The 7 is extra stuff we don't need. And they will try to do that to you sometimes. So make sure you only use what makes a right angle. So 5 and 6, then divide that by 2. So that would be 30 divided by 2, which is 15. Okay? So now let's plug that capital B in to the volume formula again. So we've got 15. And the height of the entire shape, again, I did a terrible job drawing this, but the height of the entire shape is 4. So 15 times 4 divided by 3. So let's work with the top part of this first. So what's 15 times 4? So that's 60. So now we have 60 divided by 3. So when you divide 60 by 3, you should get 20. And let's just say it's centimeters cubed. Okay, so the volume for this triangular pyramid that looks terrible would be 20 centimeters cubed. Like I said, that's all I got for you guys. I just wanted to make sure you had this information so that way if you ever need to look back at it too, you can watch this video again. Make sure you wrote everything down, and then at the bottom in class we'll do the summary and 2 questions. Thanks, guys.